What if I told you that in the next few minutes, you will learn English words that can instantly make you sound smarter and more fluent? Stay with me. Welcome to English Fluency Hub. I'm Alex, and today we are going to do something different. This is not just another vocabulary lesson. In this video, we will learn powerful English words, but more importantly, we will practice them together. Because many learners know a lot of words, but when it is time to speak, their mind suddenly becomes empty. So today, we will fix that problem. I will say the word, explain it, give you an example, and then you will repeat after me. By the end of this video, you will not just understand these words, you will actually be able to use them. Word number 1, amazing. Amazing means something very impressive or something that makes you feel surprised. Example sentence. The movie was amazing. Now repeat after me. Amazing. The movie was amazing. Great. When you use words like amazing, your English immediately sounds more natural because native speakers use this word very often. Word number 2, confident. Confident means believing in yourself and not feeling afraid to speak or act. Example sentence. She is very confident when she speaks English. Now repeat after me. Confident. She is very confident when she speaks English. Confidence is very important when you are learning a new language. Even if you make mistakes, confidence helps you continue speaking. Word number 3, improve. Improve means to become better or to make something better. Example sentence. I want to improve my English. Now repeat after me. Improve. I want to improve my English. Every day, even small practice can improve your language skills. Word number 4, quickly. Quickly means doing something fast. Example sentence. She learned English very quickly. Repeat after me. Quickly. She learned English very quickly. Speed comes with practice. The more you practice, the quicker your brain reacts in English. Word number 5, powerful. Powerful means strong or very effective. Example sentence. Words can be very powerful. Repeat after me. Powerful. Words can be very powerful. When you learn strong vocabulary, your communication becomes much more powerful. Word number 6, opportunity. Opportunity means a chance to do something. Example sentence. Learning English gives you many opportunities. Repeat after me. Opportunity. Learning English gives you many opportunities. English can open doors to jobs, travel, and new friendships around the world. Word number 7, practice. Practice means doing something again and again to become better at it. Example sentence. Practice makes you better. Repeat after me. Practice. Practice makes you better. If you practice a little every day, your English will grow faster than you expect. Word number 8, focus. Focus means giving your full attention to something. Example sentence. I need to focus on my English studies. Repeat after me. Focus. I need to focus on my English studies. When you focus, learning becomes easier and faster. Word number 9. Natural. Natural means something that feels normal and easy. Example sentence. She speaks English very naturally. Repeat after me. Natural. She speaks English very naturally. The goal is not just to speak English, but to speak it naturally. Now remember something very important. Fluency does not come from watching one video. It comes from consistent practice. Every time you learn new words, repeat them, use them in sentences, and try to speak them out loud. Your brain learns through repetition. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. If you practiced with me today, you are already improving your English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Subscribe to English Fluency Hub for more English lessons. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next video.